next question says, the total acceleration of a train along a curved path of a rail is 0.6 meters per second. That is the total now, not tangential, neither is tangential or normal, but total is there. And this acceleration is in a direction that makes an angle of 56 degrees. An angle of 56 degrees. It makes an angle of 56 degrees in the direction of the absolute speed. It makes an angle of 56. The total makes an angle of total acceleration. Total makes an angle of 56 in the direction of the tangential acceleration. It makes an angle of 56 degrees. The question now says, makes an angle of that in the direction of the absolute speed. You see the diagram. It says calculate the normal and the tangential acceleration. Calculate the normal and tangential acceleration. It is simple. The only thing we need to do, this is the total acceleration, which we are told to be 0.6 meters per second. That's what the question says. Total acceleration of a total acceleration of 0.6 meters per second. So what we do is to resolve this. If we resolve it horizontally here, we get the tangential acceleration, and if we resolve it vertically, we get the normal acceleration. So tangential acceleration will be 0.6 cos 56. Tangential acceleration 0.6 cos 56 degrees here. To resolve this here, that's cos 56. Cos 56 is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, if you know what I'm talking about. Adjacent over hypotenuse. So that means adjacent, that will be the hypotenuse times the angle. So acceleration, tangential acceleration will be equal to 0.6, that which is the total, 0.6 cos 56, which I get to be equal to 0.336 meters per second. Equal to 0.336 meters per second squared. Per second squared. It will be 0.334 meters per second squared. That is the tangential acceleration. While the normal acceleration will be a resolution with the other hand, because if this is 36, if this is 56 degrees out of 90, the other one would be 34. The other one would be 34 degrees. This will be 34 degrees. So the normal acceleration, which is this one, will be 0.6 cos 34 degrees. 0.6 times cos 34 degrees, which is 0.4497, which is 0.497 meters per second squared, which is equal to 0.5 meters per second. That's all. That's all we need to do. So the question, let me repeat the question. The question says, the total acceleration of a train along a curved part of the rail is 0.6 meters per second squared, and the acceleration is in a direction that makes an angle of 56 degrees to the direction of the absolute speed. See the diagram there. Calculate the normal and the tangential acceleration. That's all. Look at the total acceleration as we are told. It makes an angle of 56 with normal speed, normal direction. That's the tangential direction. So if you make this angle here, to get it is because the two of them resulted to the total. So vectorially, so we can resolve this total horizontally and vertical to get the horizontally we get the tangential acceleration and vertically we get the normal acceleration. And that's what it's all about. Thank you very much.